This video is to explain section 2 within lab 3. This section happens to be really similar to the last section, except now what we're going to be doing is instead of measuring this resistor, we're going to be measuring the waveform across the capacitor to determine what the phase difference is between the source voltage to the capacitor. So we're going to have the same values as we did before, that 8 volt peak to peak or the 4 volt peak, as well as 200 hertz for our wave gen. And when we power both on, this is what you should get roughly for your capacitor. At least for the 1K ohm, it'll differ between resistances. And basically what you'll do is take the difference of this blue waveform going to the orange one and dividing it by the period, which is right around 500 milliseconds, and multiplying that by 360 degrees, and you should get the phase angle for the capacitor with respect to the source.